Research doesn't have to be time-consuming. With Liner, you can save hours by streamlining your workflow. Instead of spending hours on Google, Liner's AI search instantly delivers the answers you need, along with reliable sources and citations. Just ask your question, and Liner will give you a comprehensive summary, complete with sources so you know where the information is from. Liner also provides line-by-line citations, making it easy to fact-check every piece of information. If you want to cite the sources, simply click the Cite button. Liner instantly generates citations in MLA, APA, and Chicago format, perfect for essays, reports, and academic papers. Liner's AI search is a game-changer for students, researchers, and anyone doing in-depth research. Here's how different users use this feature. Maya, a freshman in a writing class, needs to cite at least 3 academic sources for her essay. Liner helps her find relevant sources quickly. Jacob, a business student, is working on a market research project. He uses Liner to get a broad overview of the market and access credible sources for deeper analysis. David, a graduate student, is reading a research paper full of complex concepts. He uses Liner to get clear explanations with additional resources for better understanding. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.